I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch apps and multitask on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So this is fairly simple. If you have multiple apps that you've used recently and you want to switch between them, what you're going to want to do is take your thumb or your finger, you're going to swipe up from the bottom of your screen to the middle and then let go. Let's try this again. Swipe up from the bottom to the middle and then let go. And now you can see the different apps that you were using, and you can swipe left to go through them, swipe right to go back the other way. And let's say you want to select one, all you have to do is tap on that particular app. Now this is the best way to kind of multitask and switch between apps, but you can also force close apps. You don't generally need to, but if you like to not have anything running in the background, what you will do is you will bring up your app switcher and you will select an app with your finger and not let go and slide all the way up and off and just kind of swipe it up to get rid of it. And this deletes the app from background processes so that you're not using any battery unnecessarily. And now you're all set.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.